Visa hopes were dashed for a woman as she was fined for a fake job letter. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari over here on DeepRootstv. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Ha ha! That one ya funny, a corporate area woman whose chances of getting a United States visa went up in smoke as she was fined $130,000, for presenting the embassy in Kingston with a fake job letter. The defendant is Crystal Phillips, pled guilty to forgery conspiracy uttering forged document when she would appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court